Here's every brewery app, even the modern ones. The intelligence is you. You pull the reports, connect the dots, make the move. What if the software did that and just handed you the decision? Meet Ricky, the operator inside KettleiQ. She works your data overnight and hands you decisions. Ask her like your sharpest ops manager. She reads your inventory and depletions, flags what's about to run short, and drafts the fix, every number linked to the record behind it. Nothing happens until you tap approve. And she works every corner of the brewery. Open her planner, and the work is already done. 5 brews drafted in priority order, and 1 tap sends them straight to the schedule. And she doesn't stop at your own 4 walls. Where your state publishes its sales data, like Utah and Texas, she reads the whole market, every competitor's velocity and price. That's the difference. You don't need more software to operate. You need software that operates for you. Put your real numbers in and book a 20-minute call.